The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips, kick in the abs, all types of wild and crazy stuff. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get a foam roller and you're going to put it up against the wall. From here, you're going to put one foot on the wall. The other leg is going to be bent just like so. And then what you're going to do is, the first step is you want to get a nice little hip tuck. So you're going to tuck your hips, think back pockets going towards the heel, while keeping your abs relaxed, just like that. That's step one. Step two, you're going to push your inside heel and your big toe into the wall. That'll get a little bit of glute. You're going to kick it up a notch, Emeril Lagasse style. Don't worry. That's step two. Step three, bring your knee to your nose and keep pushing into the wall. That should intensify the glute. If by some chance you're getting like some pinchy stuff in the front of the hip, no worries. Just keep your leg on the ground in the meantime. Knee to nose. Step three, what you're going to do is you're going to take both your arms, reach them slightly overhead, just like so. You're going to hold this position, breathe in this position. On the exhale, just make sure you're reaching your arms up at about a 45-degree angle. It's going to look like this. Hold position, breathe in. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.